Good morning. It's Tuesday the 20th, 1 degrees outside. I just did a video yesterday about cold starts on the Helixes, and 2 out of the 3 that are in the shack there started just fine, and one started, but it was a little rough going. But it's my GS didn't start because I didn't have it on a battery tender, but being that it's only 1 degrees out this morning, I was like, you know what? Even though I did start them yesterday, they've had all night to get cold again. So I'm just interested because yesterday was the coldest that I had ever attempted to start. So let's see what they do at 1 degree. And that's Fahrenheit. So I don't know what that converts to over to Celsius, but I'll figure it out. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and give it a twist of fuel there. All right, release the throttle. I'm gonna twist the throttle, dump some fuel into it. That should hold it over enough to start a little better. All right. That's the 99, and that's at 1 degree Fahrenheit. Now, of course, I'm going to put this with the video I did yesterday. Yesterday it was 17 degrees out, so like I said, that was the coldest up until this morning. I'm going to just go ahead, you know what, I'm going to do it without the throttle. No, I'm going to go ahead and twist the throttle, and that'll dump fuel in while I'm cranking. Now I'm going to release the throttle, and it should start. Oh yeah. That's the 86 right there. The 99. Now this one was the one that gave me some issues yesterday, but let's go ahead and see what. Try it without anything. No fuel. Oh, it actually wanted to go, but I know it. I'm going to turn it, dump some fuel into the car. Release it. Yeah, this one, I think I explained yesterday, but I have the idle is a lot lower on this one, so, but it actually started up better today than it did yesterday. Oh, banged my head. I wonder if the GS can redeem itself today. I put it on the battery tender yesterday. I forgot it wasn't on, so I might as well give this thing a see what it'll do with a fresh battery. Oh no, it's not like it. Nope, I'm not even going to try that anymore. Unplug that and plug it back in. It doesn't even seem like the battery had charged up overnight. Maybe it's just too cold. Hate to have to change it. The battery sits right underneath the tank. I think it's too cold for that thing. Too big of an engine for that little battery. And now all three of these start up fairly nice. Now once again, I did have them running yesterday, but it was a cold start at 1 degree Fahrenheit this morning. This one I'm afraid to do it because, like I said, this one bogged down a lot yesterday. Oh no, it's good. Awesome. Okay, that battery tender's charging. That one's charging. That one's charging. Yeah, I might have to bring out the little jumper pack, and I really do want to get this running, but it won't hurt anything now. I've got it on a tender and just wait till it warms up a little bit more. But yeah, there they are. 1 degree Fahrenheit, and I will figure out, or someone else can figure it out for me, what that converts over to Celsius. But all I know is it's cold. All right, take care, everyone.